Hello everyone, welcome to Chemazon-Complete Chemistry. So in today's video, we are going to solve question 27 of the GATE 2022 chemistry paper, which is based on splitting pattern in 1H NMR spectrum or proton NMR spectrum. So this is a question, the correct statement or statements. That means this is which type of question? MSQ type of question. What is MSQ? Multiple select question. Okay, what is the meaning of multiple select question? Okay, one or more than one answers are correct. One or more than one answers are correct. Okay, so there are two compounds, one is P and another is Q. We have to determine the splitting pattern. So first of all, let us understand when we get to see a spin-spin splitting. Okay, when does a signal split? That is the question. So the answer to this question is, when does spin-spin splitting take place? When the two proton or two groups of protons are non-equivalent. Okay, are non-equivalent. What is the meaning of non-equivalent? That means they are in different chemical environment. They are present in different chemical environment. Different chemical environment means different bonding. Okay, the chemical nature of the other molecule around these protons is different. That is the meaning of protons are non-equivalent. Then only spin-spin splitting take place. Okay, if there are equivalent protons, what happens in equivalent protons? There will be no splitting. Okay, no splitting. That means what we will get? We will get a singlet. Okay, we will get what? We will get a singlet. Okay, no splitting. Now, how do you determine whether the protons are equivalent or non-equivalent? Here we are talking about HA and HB in both the molecules. So what we do is, we draw a plane across the molecule. Okay, we draw a plane across the molecule, and if this is a plane of symmetry, okay, if it is a plane of symmetry, then the protons are what? They are equivalent. Okay, if there is no plane of symmetry present, plane of symmetry is absent, then we say that they are non-equivalent. Okay, now let us see whether this is a plane of symmetry or not. What is the meaning of plane of symmetry? That the groups on either side of the plane, they are what? They are exact mirror image of each other. Now here if you see methyl is above the plane, this methyl is also above the plane. Okay, so on the other side of the plane, this is a molecular plane, right? So on the other side of the plane, there is no methyl group. And above the plane here there is hydrogen, below the plane here there is hydrogen. They are reflecting each other. Okay, so here what? This is a plane of symmetry. Okay, since this is a plane of symmetry, for compound P, what we will get? We will get a singlet. Okay, plane of symmetry is present. That means these hydrogens are what? They are equivalent. Okay, since they are equivalent, there will be no splitting. We will get a singlet. But for compound Q, what will happen? Here if you see, again I will do the same exercise. I will draw this plane. Now is this a plane of symmetry? Let us check. Here also, here if you see, above the plane there is methyl, but on the other side, okay, for this other methyl, you can see what? Methyl is below the plane. Dash means this is dash bond. Dash bond means below the plane. So this plane is not a mirror plane. Okay, if this methyl was above the plane just like the first molecule, then we can say they are equivalent. Okay, here there is no plane of symmetry. Okay, this is not a plane of symmetry. Okay, since the plane of symmetry is not present, what will happen? These both are what? They are non-equivalent. Okay, these are non-equivalent protons. And such protons, when they are attached to a single carbon like this, then what we get? What will happen is, the HA will split the signal due to HB, and HB is going to split the signal due to HA. And what we get is a AB quartet, like this. This is called as AB quartet. Quartet means 4 peaks. Okay, this is called as AB quartet. Okay, this is a type of signal that we get. Okay, so what will be the correct answer? P shows a sharp singlet, correct. Q shows a singlet, incorrect. P shows quartet, incorrect. Q shows AB quartet, correct. Okay, so the correct answers here are what? They are option A and D. I hope you have understood the solution. Thank you.